What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of the Cut the Rope cardboard box levels 6 through 10. Now, cardboard box is the first opening sequence of Cut the Rope, and I've already covered levels 1 through 5, so if you need help with that, check the link in the description for all the Cut the Rope walkthrough playlist. So let me get into this first level here, which is going to be level 6. And this is another level here that's kind of just testing the bubble mechanics. Just be sure to cut the rope, and then the candy is going to land in the bubble, get the first star, let it rise to the top to get the second star, and then you could pop the bubble right before it gets to the top, and you will get the third star at the bottom before it goes into Om Nom's mouth. On to the 7th level here. There are 6 different ropes that you could cut here, so it is a little tricky to know what you have to do, and this is all using momentum, so just be sure to let the candy swing into the star before you end up doing the next cut. So the top left corner is first, the one all the way at the top is second, the bottom left corner is third, and then you have the first star that you got, and then you cut the top right corner, and then there's 2 strings. You're going to cut the bottom right corner, and then there should just be the bottom one for the candy there. Let it swing and get both of the stars, and then you could use the momentum to get into Om Nom's mouth. On this one, it already starts out swinging, so what you're going to do is use the momentum that it is already swinging there, get the first star, and then get into the bubble, and then you could get the third star at the top, and then pop the bubble before it gets to the top, and it will land into Om Nom's mouth. Moving on, we have this level here. There's 2 strings in the bubble. You're going to cut the top string and let the bubble happen. It's going to get the first and second star, and then you're going to cut the third string, let it get momentum to get the third star, and then it will rise up and eventually get into Om Nom's mouth. Finally, level 10 here, kind of a break level as it's showing you the mechanics of automatic ropes. All you're going to do is just cut each rope as you go down the line. It's pretty self-explanatory. As you can see here, you will get all 3 stars without even trying, and it will get into Om Nom's mouth without even trying. So there you go. You can see now levels 6 through 10 now have a 3-star, as well as the previous 5 levels. If you need a tutorial on those 5 levels, like I said, it's on my channel. You could go ahead and check it out. Other than that, though, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and if you did have any questions or were confused, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you needed help on any other levels, I do have a full playlist with all the levels, and if they're not there yet, I'm going to get to them. If you did enjoy this video and found this tutorial helpful, though, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.